HELIX V DSP MK2 DSP amplifier. Proprietary pure Class GD concept takes the efficiency of conventional Class D amps to the next level by varying the internal supply voltage depending on the amplifier's input signals. Idle losses are significantly reduced and overall efficiency is close to maximum at any time. So heat dissipation is almost negligible, thus allowing smallest heat sinks and most compact form factors. Besides that, pure Class GD amp outperforms conventional Class D designs in terms of sound quality by implementing a fully differential signal path and improved output filter design. And share. Thank you. 如果喜欢我的影片的话，请记得订阅、按赞、分享。